Hi everyone, I'm Miranda Keskes, author accelerator, certified fiction book coach, author and educator. And for this last part of the series, I'm going to show you how to make a cover page for your manuscript, which is now formatted correctly, and it also has the headers here. So if you will recall, we want to insert under view, there we go, insert break, page break. And there you go. Now we have this blank page, which is great. That's what we want. So already though, I see a problem, right? I don't want page one to be labeled as page one because it's going to be my cover page. And this is two. I want this to say page one. So here's how you resolve that. You go to options, page numbers. We do not want to show, and we want it to be 0. So that way page one is 0, and then it'll show us 1. Haha, there we go. And now that's gone. Okay. So for this, let's get rid of this formatting right now. We just want it to be back to 12. Let's start left justified. And what you're going to have first on the left-hand side is going to be like your name, address, email, and phone number. And so we'll just type that here. So that would be like we're in all caps, your name, address. And you can see sometimes you just got to go back through. And I think what's going to help here is I'm going to move this page break down. There we go. That's what we really want, the page break. Ha. Okay. Now let's make this all Times New Roman 12. And we don't want this to be a header either. 12. Here we go. So now the page break's working a little bit better. So your name, address, which is optional these days, email, phone number. And then on the right-hand side, in this case, I usually I'll indent a couple of times, hitting the tab button here, and you'll write the genre of your novel. Is it historical fiction, romance, whatever it might be? And then you're going to put, rounded up, your word count. Oops, and you can see here, I went too far. All you have to do here is just hit delete, and there we go. And then you're going to go down, actually about where I have it right here, and now we're going to center. And you're going to put the name of your manuscript in all caps, the title, and then by, and then your first and last name. Okay. And then at this point, we want to just double check the page break is here. Chapter 1 has started. I'm going to view show non-printing to make sure it looks correct. There it is. Everything is looking accurate. And now we're ready. And then one last thing I want to show you, I didn't show in the first video. Let's say you have a chapter with multiple scenes and you want to make it clear there's a scene break. What you would do here, like let's say this is actually a new scene. I'm going to go here and I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to backspace center. And then you can use either this symbol or you could use this symbol. I tend to default to this because it's just one click, it's quicker. But now I can easily tell this is supposed to be a new scene. And then here we have our chapters again. So in this little 3-part series, I hope you understand how to transform your Google Doc into a manuscript that looks agent ready. If any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to me at keskesinc.com. Happy writing.